how to fix, you will need to provide administrator permission to copy this file or folder error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix you need to provide administrator permission to copy this file or folder. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's dive right into it. So first of all, you'll need to find this PC on your desktop, then open it up. Now on your desktop, this PC, you'll find your local disk or C drive. Right click on it, then head over to its properties. Now on the properties, you'll find a lot of different options. You'll find security, tools, hardware, and stuff like that. Head over to security tab. And under security tab, you'll find this edit option. Tap on edit. After you tap on edit, here you will find a group of users who can, and their permissions. So tap on add. And after you tap on add, here you will see advanced option. Tap on advanced. And this tab should open up. So right here, what you can do is tap on find now. So after you open up, select users or groups. Here you will find right here, under name section, you'll find everyone. So search for everyone, double tap, then tap on OK. Then here, give it all the access. Make sure that you've selected everyone. Then give it full control. And then tap on apply. Then tap on yes. And basically set, go through all of the pop-ups. And after you go through all the pop-ups, after you go through all the authentications, you are good to go. And that's how you fix the permission problem. Thanks for watching. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.